Now in our last lecture on static and non-static inner classes, we'll just see how we can inherit inner class. Now I have an outer class say OA and I create an inner class say inner A, and I have an external class say CA which extends OA dot IA. So this is the inner class I am extending. Now in order for inheritance to be complete, we need the constructor of the superclass to properly call the constructor of the subclass to properly call the constructor of the superclass. Now in case I am not making any constructor in the subclass, there is a default constructor as this. But as you all know, as we have done a non-static inner class, we have seen that the object of the inner class, when it is non-static, it depends upon the object of the outer class. So this an object of class OA must be in picture while creating an object of class IA. So simply writing super will not work for us. I'll just put down what exactly we require. To create an object of class IA, we need something like this: new OA dot new IA. Now this is what shall complete the call to the superclass constructor and will ensure that when we are creating an object of class CA, an object of class IA is automatically created. Now in case this process is not complete, the inheritance procedure is not completed and the system will not compile till the time we are able to make the proper call. So it says no enclosing instance of type OA is available. So I must ensure an object of superclass is created before the object of subclass is created. So just to ensure that, I need an object of class OA that I can add to this directly. So this is the real way to make a call to the constructor of class IA. We need an object of the outer class of IA which is OA, and then calling the constructor of the class IA. So this is new OA. This is new OA dot super. Super is the object of class IA. So as you can see, now there is no error, and I can even call a method even if I want. Now another way to do the same thing is passing an object of class OA through the constructor itself. So then I can say a1 dot super. So either way you can do it. Either we can pass an object through the constructor of class C, or we can right away create an object during the call itself. So the only thing to ensure is that we have a call like this to ensure proper call to the to ensure proper creation of the superclass object when we are creating an object of the subclass. So this has ensured the proper call and the entire program runs without any error. So this is how we can inherit a subclass, inner class with a top level class outside the outer class. Similarly, if I inherit OA and I have a method here called show now I don't require anything here, so I'll just remove this or comment. Now in order to call this method show, either I can write new OA dot new IA dot show. This is one way to do it. I'll just run this program. I have in show. And the second way to do it, we can say new CA dot new IA dot show. Now CA, as it extends OA, so it contains the object of OA which is required for IA. So again we can see we can get the same output either through the outer class object, or we can take an object of the subclass of OA. So this is the final part in the lecture on static and non-static inner classes. So next we'll deal with local inner class.